So we are back again guys with another video, and today, are you ready to see some half-court shots? Stephen Curry range shots will now be present in the PBA as announced. This coming next season, the PBA will be implementing the 4-point line. Will this be a great addition to the PBA, especially with, long range shots, Stephen Curry range, Damian Lillard range? Will this be a great addition for the PBA? Will this drag more fans to watch their product? Ayan ang papag-usapan natin for today's video, my opinions and my thoughts regarding the addition. So, abangan. Social media has been buzzing since the announcement of the 4-point line in the PBA. Not only in the Philippines but as well as other countries have received the news of the implementation. As first announced, the PBA will be adding the 4-point line this coming Governor's Cup. They first introduced the 4-point shot during the 2023 PBA All-Star Games in Pasig City, Iloilo, and was retained in the same mid-season event during the 2024 edition of the All-Star in Bacolod City earlier this year. The 3-point line will still be 23 feet, and on the other hand, the newly added 4-point line will be measuring 27 feet. There have been mixed emotions regarding the addition of the 4-point line. Positive, negative emotions or critics, yun ang na-receive sa pag-add ng 4-point line. Pero para sa akin, okay naman yung addition ng 4-point line. But it will be hard for other PBA players to make shots from deep range kasi hindi naman lahat ng players kaya yung capabilities like sina Polly, Marshall Lassiter, like those kinds of PBA shooters na kaya yung mga long range shots na ginagawa nila Curry, nila Lillard, mga ganong players. Kumbaga, medyo they will have a hard time adjusting with the new format of the 4-point line, especially na gaganapin na siya or i-add na siya this coming season. Kayo, sa tingin ninyo, was this a great addition to the PBA, adding the 4-point line? Magsa-struggle ba kaya yung PBA players or will they be able to adjust to the new format? By the way, sorry kung medyo maingay yung background kasi currently it's raining right now, so hope you understand. Pero yon, make sure to leave your comments and suggestions or your opinions in the comment section down below regarding the change. That will be very much appreciated. But for now, yun na muna para sa akin. Hope you guys enjoy. Once again, thank you guys for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.